Now I want to take you through all of the dyes and colors and different things that you can add to your wax melts to really make them special and different and unique. And then I'll show you my stash of things just so that you can maybe get some inspiration from it or have a laugh at me. Let's start with colors. Okay, so we have our liquid dye, which you've seen me use. You can also use these, they're dye blocks, and I'll show you how to use them as well in a different video, but that's just another option. There's also micas that you can add, and you can use cosmetic or non-cosmetic grade mica because we're not putting this on our faces or anything like that, so it doesn't matter if it's cosmetic grade or not. And all cosmetic grade means is that it's safe to put on skin. So you can use mica. You can add glitters, so you can use like larger particle glitter like this, or some fine glitter. You can use them just plain kids craft glitter like this. You can even use these cool shaker bottles that have different types of glitter like this. The type you choose really depends on what your preference is. You can get eco-friendly glitter, like this one that's biodegradable. You can also add things like these little charms that I think are for nails. You can add different things like this to it. Here's a different type of mica that you can use, like a larger bag that I've just got a scoop in it. You can also add fun things like some sprinkles, coffee beans, or botanicals like this. These are dried calendula petals. So this drawer that I've just taken out is all my glitter stash. So I have lots of different types of glitters and micas and clays and different things like that that I have in here that I just keep nice and organized. Here's some more mica, different glitters, some clays. This is all glitters in here, different shakers and large black ones, some little bags of things. Sometimes when you buy supplies you'll get samples and things like that. Here's some more nail art ones, and here's just some different types of sprinkles that you can add to the wax melts to make a cute little look. And yes, these are edible ones, but I keep them separate in my office and obviously don't use them for food after I've been using them for wax melts, because as you put your fingers in them when you've been working and stuff, you could have scent and wax, and yeah, it's not for your family anymore. This is a candle with sprinkles on it, but I just wanted to show you the cute effect that you can get on wax with using sprinkles. Botanicals, so you can use something large like these red rose buds. You can use red rose petals, different flower petals. This is peppermint. You can use tea and things like this. This is calendula flowers. As I mentioned before, you can use some coffee beans. So you can just kind of use your imagination. The only thing I recommend is that you use dried herbs so that they don't have the water content in them, which will not mix at all with your wax.